Hello everybody, hope everyone's well and had a fantastic day today. So tonight, now, I'm going to have a go at cooking. I'm going to use a brioche roll, last one, sourdough, brioche bun, keep calling it a roll. I got some of these the other day, some British white flat mushrooms. So I'm going to try and cook a couple of them with a bit of cheese, and also picked up some Gouda, or I think they call it Gouda. It's from, probably says it there somewhere where it's from. It's from the Netherlands. Products of the Netherlands, yeah. So I think in the Netherlands they call it Gouda, which is a cheese. So yeah, I'm going to have that with the British flat mushrooms, flat white mushrooms, British white flat mushrooms, and so just a lump of butter. Try and keep it as simple as possible. Bit of butter and some mushrooms. Well, that's a big old mushroom. What size is that thing? See if I can get a bit of butter around the pan. Pop that over that. I mean, I know people cook mushrooms in the oven, but I wasn't sure if you could cook them in a pan or not, so here I am trying. Oh yeah. Well, they're definitely taking on the flavour, didn't they? Oh, they do smell good. Right, I might just cut that brioche roll, get that ready for some of this. Well, that might be the straightest roll I've ever cut. What I think I might do is I might just toast these off a bit, get my cheese, slap my cheese in there, pop one of these in one of them, slap a piece of cheese on top of it, and then put the other mushroom on, and I think that might be done. That'd be a well cheesy, mushroomy, yeah, burger I suppose. Waffle as well. Giving it the waffle. Crisping up a bit. Oh. Ah, that's looking good, that is. Just going to chuck that in there. Chuck that in there. Right. Cut a slice of this. Oh. I should use my fingers. Oh, that's going to be a cheesy, good, well cheesy that is. Just going to chuck one of them on there. Like that. God, look at that cheese. It's a stringy cheese. A bit of a battle with it. See that being a fatality. There it is. A well cheesy mushroomy burger. Oozing flavour that is. Got a knife. Got a knife. Don't want to touch it. It'll be molten. Cool. I don't know if I can get a knife for it. Not like that anyway. Ouch, stabbed myself with it. Look at that, oozing out. Slipping and sliding. Well, it's almost like there's been an octopus on my plate and there's lots of black stuff on the plate. I'll see if I can get a shot of it in a minute. It's oozing flavour. It's gone. It was obviously fairly healthy, not really, but you know, all the butter. But and the cheese. Forgot about the cheese, didn't I? Right, anyway, everyone, see you later. Have a good day.